guys, what is up? What is up, my nature loving friends? I'm here at Capricorn. Well, it's actually not just the Capricorn Aquarium. I'll be going to look at some of the aquarium fishes and also plants, aquarium plants. So they used to be in Pasir Ris Park, but now they actually move it to Choa Chu Kang. It's quite a distance. So we're gonna check it out. Yeah, some cafe there, some ponds and everything. So the first thing I'm gonna be going is check out Capricorn Aquarium. I'm looking for aquarium plants and yeah, just to show you this place out. One of the factories. This one I remember used to be in Pasir Ris, this place called Freshwater. It's actually have marine here, and you can see some of the structures, which is pretty cool. Look at that. Look at the size of this plant. And we have bromeliads. There's some this, what is it? Welcome on board. Oh, I'm gonna check it out. I think this place is pretty interesting. I don't know whether they have anything here. I think this is like a storehouse, something like that. I think for some gallery. They can find any gallery. Let's see. But I'm gonna check out the plants first. I think some of these for quarantine. Right, you can see some of these aquarium plants. They have, it's called Aquatic plants by Iwana. So they have a pond here. Look at that. This is a simple pond. I think this is the Capricorn. I think this is the Capricorn Aquarium. Wow. Now check out some of them. Some of the aquatic plants. Some of these aquatic plants you can see. This is a really nice one. I don't know what is this. You see, they really did a very nice job here. So I might get the Bucephalandra. Oh yeah, there we go. That's a Nubius. A lot of nubies here. Yeah, it can be semi-aquatic, aquatic or immersed and submerged. But if you put it immersed, you have to, let it adapt for a while before you actually put it in submerged. Flower here, see? This when you are actually immersed, or they will get the CO2 much faster. Ah, this is the Bucephalandra. This is the one that I might be getting later on. Look at that, there's a lot, whole row of them here. And Nana Petite. Look at the size of this. Look at this. This is so big. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's have a look. That is really large. There's a lot of Bucephalandra. this. I like this one. This one actually pretty good. I like the color of this. I don't know what's the name, but anyway, I like most of the Buscalandra. Yeah, look at this. Let's check out over there. Okay. Ah, there's another aquatic plants here. See, they also do online shipping. But I just want to come down just to show you guys how is it like. And then I have to check that this is pretty good. I might get that too. Or maybe I'm looking for Buscalandra. Buscalandra is not cheap, it's just quite expensive. But I think it's pretty worth it. Okay. I'm gonna come back later on again. Come back, maybe I'll show you guys a little bit on some fishes, aquarium. Again, I'll have a look at some of the plants. Aquarium, now we'll come back over here. Remember this one? Like this one I've said, this is actually used to be in Pasir Ris. But now they move. They specialize mainly in aquarium, marine fishes. They have concept design. If you are in Singapore, you can actually contact them. They are pretty well known in this area. I'm not really into marine, but maybe one day I might give it a try, because I find the marine fishes is, you know, maybe more technical, so I find it a bit more difficult to keep up. But there's also some, the one I just showed you, but I'm gonna go in and just have a look. Okay, so these are also aquarium. Okay, so these are the lace plant. Check it out. Kind of the lace plant's not easy to grow, but you need cooler temperature. Yep, and look at these, a lot of these plants here. And they're red. Not difficult to keep, actually quite easy, but they need a lot of nutrients in the water column. So if you don't have enough nutrients in the water column, I think they will turn black, and that's what happened to mine last time. I almost gave up, but actually it's not difficult to keep, pretty easy. And some of this is the one that I find it very difficult, because my one's not growing very well. This is the iguazu. It's one of the very rare aquatic plants. Iguazu, I think it's somewhere in Argentina, if I'm not wrong. This is a really awesome plant. Just look at the size of this plant. Of course, pink flamingo, and the usual Buscalandra. And I really like this one. Oh my gosh, look at this. So we're gonna move a little bit and show you. Again, this is the get the nail off. Amazon, not Amazon, sorry. This is the, I almost forgot the name. Come on. Okay, so this is how they actually keep their Java fern. Yes, Java fern. How can I forget their name? Okay, so in here it's actually fishes. Maybe we can go have a look. Okay, these are the fishes. Look how big the discus is. I think it's under quarantine. They're gonna be to sell it off into the local fish store. But look at the size of it. Good quality discus. I don't know whether these are for sale. I think they might be for sale, but you probably have to order in bulk, maybe wholesale or something. Yeah, angelfish. Angelfish is one of the staple in the aquarium. And discus, yep. This is pretty expensive, I think. They're not started the fish. Angelfish. Wow, that's beautiful. I used to have one. Unfortunately, I was so disappointed. What I did was I went for a holiday and I overfeed the fish in the overfeed the my automatic feeder. Kind of destroyed the whole tank. You could have about this size. This is the size it could have reached, but anyway, another one. Look at this. You can see it much clearer. Okay, let's just show you around a bit. More fishes. We have African Tanganyikan cichlid. And look at that flower horn. They're very aggressive. Jack Dempsey or flower horn mix, something like that. Very aggressive fish. It's not a fish that I'll be keeping. This, of course, is the African cichlid. And this is mix of outer angelfish and I don't know what you call this. Look at the outer angelfish. Red manna. Let's go up there and have a look. It's a staircase, so you can actually go up there. Again, another more angelfish. I think they're breathing here. There, I got these. Look at the size of this autumn angelfish. This is my hand. Wow, that's really big. Oh my gosh. If mine were to survive, it could be almost this size. Unfortunately, no man, I really miss my autumn. There's another one. Look at the size of this autumn. Whew. So, look at that. I might be getting this. I don't know. I'm so tempted to get this pink flamingo. They need a lot of nutrients, soil nutrients. So I might give that a try, But I'm very jealous of this one. This one grew really big. My one is just stunt, unfortunately. So guys, the way to actually grow these, I heard that you need to feed them a lot of phosphorus in your fertilizer. So I bought a fertilizer, so I'm gonna give it a try and see whether it will give that red hue. Yes. If you really want the red plants that really sustain that red color and is easy to grow, you can actually keep the red tiger lotus. The red tiger lotus will be looking something like this. I have the green and the red one. This is the green tiger lotus. They grow very easily grown, and it's extremely easy to keep. You don't require CO2, but if you have CO2, the leaves going to be big, and if it's red tiger lotus, it's going to be red. So if you want easy red plant, get the red tiger lotus. This one I think can go in, I'm not so sure. Brother, can go in inside? This is the marine fish, huh? Yeah. In here? Yeah. Okay, okay, thank you. Alright, so this is the marine section. Woo! It's the coral, dead coral. Wow, check that out. Look at that. I think this is the sea cucumber if I'm not wrong. Is this sea? No, this is not sea cucumber. Oh yeah, this is oh, that's beautiful. Brother, can go in here? No? Can I go in here? Cannot. Oh, thank you. Just want to film. It's a beautiful place. Alright, look at that. Oh my gosh. I think this costs quite a lot. Coral. You know, maybe one day I might want to keep some of the coral. But I gotta show you guys this one. This is a coral holding area. So I think they're gonna sell it off after when it is quarantine or something like that. Look how beautiful it is, guys. Woo! You need a special kind of light. Oh, yeah, that's the price here. $10 per head, $90. These coral guys. We're gonna go into the other side. I think I will try to go in here if I can. I don't know if I can go in here. Can I go in here? Oh yes, I can. Okay, so this is another section. Look at the fish, how beautiful it is. Beautiful it is. It's a box. How cute it is, guys. Look at this. That's a beautiful fish. Butterfly? Is it butterfly? I'm not so sure. I'm not very expert in marine fish, but I like the color though. Of course, I know this one, clownfish, the Nemo, you know, AKA. And another one here, this terrarium. Remember my terrarium at home? Put a green tree frogs. You can see another type. I like this. This is not too bad. Not too bad. Plants grow actually very well here. See? Okay, so look. What is this? Oh, mud skipper. So we have a mud skipper here. And then we have a green tree. No, this is the white tree frog. But this is the blue variation, the white tree frog, but blue variation. The one I have is the green variation. You can see. Look at how you can actually create something very simple set up like this. Oh, this is a very nice terrarium. Nicely done. We have bird nester here, orchid, houseplant, bromeliad, very nicely done here. And we have jewel, twinkling jewels, fern. So if you look at, they have Anubias. So you can do something set up like this very easy. But you don't have to be very complicated like this. But the only problem I have is actually putting a waterfall, because what they do is actually they have a fawn, they put the fawn and then they put the waterfall, I mean pump in there. So this is really nice. I really like this. The lighting, the misting, you can see the mist. So the mist comes out, and then I think they have a timer. I think maybe interval of 30 minutes or 20 minutes or 15 minutes or so. Or covers, depends on what's your mist. It needs to be moist. There are a lot of mosses here to keep it moist. This is a really nice setup. I'll show you. Okay, another one. Alright, cool. This is the stream tank. No, not just the stream tank. This is the stream and the small little fishes. Cherry red stream. A couple of lighting, two setup, two lights. See for yourself. Woo. Amazing. That is amazing. And I'm so jealous what they can achieve. Look at that. It's beautiful, guys. Beautiful. It's like kid in a candy store. Really loving it. And the light gives kind of a shimmering effect. Every aquarium should have some sort of Anubias. See, Anubias, or even Bucephalandra. Alright, so we have show you guys a little bit of the. I don't know what is this. Sea fan, $100 for a sea fan. Oh, it's very interesting. A couple of corals. And this is the usual coral. How beautiful the coral is. So $80, $60. Oh, wow, beautiful. Look at the color, man. The holding area. Check it out, guys. Check it out. This is the fan that I just saw. $100 for this. Doesn't even look real to me, man. Wow. Doesn't even look real to me, but I think it's real. Is it real? I don't know. What it is, it doesn't look real, but anyway. And yeah, a couple of fishes here. Some are dead. Oh, so sad. Okay, this guy. Puffer, yeah, puffer fish. Oh, it's so cute. Look at the teeth, the teeth. Check that out. A puffer fish. I like this guy. Oh, he's very shy. He's really shy. He's a shy dude. Alright, so I'm gonna exit. Probably gonna get my plants. Thank the guy a little bit for allowing me. Alright, thank you, brother. Thank you for allowing me here. See you. Okay, so we're gonna go and check out our plants now. Okay, so we are still at the Capricorns over there, so I'm gonna get the plants, and there's a larger tank here you can see again. So this place is shared with two stores shared together, Capricorn and Iwana, if this is how you pronounce it, if I'm not wrong. This one here. Huh? Yeah, is that okay?
Yeah.
Same price, right? 20. Okay, okay. This one very nice, huh?
Pink Malawi.
Pink Malawi.
Pink.
Oh. Just give me the nice one.
Nice one.
I trust you, brother. I know you can give me a nice one. Yeah, that's a nice one. Is it easy to keep? Easy, huh? No need CO2.
CO2 have a faster color kama.
Okay, got it. I CO2, no worry. Okay, I'll get this one.
Any more?
I think.
This one brownie ghost.
Also, is it 20? Is it or what?
Yes, 20.
Whoa.
Brownie ghost.
Well, looks nice, huh? I don't know whether I want. Okay, let me put here. This one I want for sure. Let me have a look, huh? Okay, I think I'll get two, but I want to choose which two. So guys, what do you think? Brownie ghost. I don't know whether I boosted Valendra and they grow pretty well actually. Maybe.
Long time color kama.
Long time, huh?
Ini bisa long time.
Yeah, boosted is a slow grower, very slow. No, maybe not this one because I got a few boosts. I just want to come and get some just to show my viewer, you know, that I'm getting something. At least must get something. Thank you, brother. Okay, I'll get this one first. All right. So the rest is just sorry. Oh yeah, no worries. I know, I understand. No worry. Later I'll come over there. Huh? So I need to go over there to pack, or I need to go there? Here? Over there. Oh, okay. Okay, so this is one of them. Alright guys, got myself, they call it what, Malawi or something? Red Malawi? I'm not so sure. So I got myself a boost, 20 bucks. I know Boost Valendra is actually not cheap, but I'm glad that I come here because Boost Valendra is not easily available in any aquarium store. So yep, I'm gonna get this now. I'm done. I got my wonderful Valendra. Hopefully you grow well, and if you like this channel, don't forget to give me a like, give me a thumbs up. See you guys in the next video. Peace.